Hello, good morning and good day to you. And I would like in this video to present you a couple of ideas with the currencies that will be based on technical situation. And let's change picture for you. And we will talk about quality, but not about the quantity. So about the American dollar index, which is like a base for me to understand what's going on with the market, to understand, to get some technical reasons to buy or to sell. First of all, I want to show you the weekly chart. And if weekly chart will end Friday under area 91.90, if week will be under 91.90, this will be a good reason for us to wait for upgoing tendency on euro dollar and downgoing tendency on American dollar index and currency pair United States dollar with the Japanese yen. So this is my technical idea for like future couple of days. What may happen for American dollar index? They may go to test this tendency around 91.99, around 92. So this is area which they may test, and if they don't break it, this will be the beginning of downgoing tendency, okay? Only if they break 92.20, we can wait for 92.60 and 92.90 area. So we go to euro dollar, and let's check what we can see there. On euro dollar, that's something that I'm waiting for. Either they break 190.30, after that we buy with the target 190.90, or they test 190 area, 119 area, they test it, they don't break it, and after that they go up to 119.90. Only if they break 119 area, I will be ready to sell up to 118.40, okay? So this is something that we have to take into account and trade in future days. For Great Britain pound, the maximum price that I see now is 139.70 and the local minimum is 138.50. This is for Thursday and Friday. So there are two levels. General idea that we discussed in previous video is still OK. Those are like long positions up to 143.15. Long positions, but you do understand that to move market we need to get some news. If we don't have some news, we can see correction, okay? And to understand this correction, we have technical support, technical resistance. General idea to go up to 143 is good, but only if they stay above this tendency. You can see this upgoing tendency. Until they don't break it, we don't sell. We don't open short positions on weekly chart, okay? Yeah, so we go to weekly chart. I mean, like, we don't open short positions and hold them for a long time. We still have to keep in mind 143. Well, about the intraday situation for Thursday and Friday, we can check this level of resistance, we can check this level of support, and after that we use tendencies, local tendencies, that will help us to understand when we should sell or when we should buy. To understand this, we have intraday technical picture. And you know that I have all those Ishimoku clouds, I have all those trend lines, the moving averages. This is something that I use to work intraday. Okay, what will happen? What can I explain you here? If they break the 144 moving average on 15-minute chart, 144, that means that they will break 139 area. After that, we sell up to 138.50. If they test 139, they test this area, and stochastic oscillator will show us buy signal here near the bottom part. This will be a moment to buy with the target 139.70. If you want to buy right now, you gotta take into account this level of resistance and your stop loss should be under 139.26, something like that, really short, and you're okay to go up with the target 139.70. So on daily chart and weekly chart, there is no reason to say that you have to buy and hold, because they may give a correction up to 138.50. To earn money intraday, we use supports, technical supports, and we use 139 area again. This is a moment when we can decide either they give us buy signal or they give us sell signal. So this is our chance to have a good work in future days. For Japanese yen, I will follow an idea about American dollar index, and on daily chart we have two levels of correction, 107.70, 106.70. When we can expect to sell this instrument? Only when they break this tendency. So under 108.30, under that level, we are okay to sell with the target 107.70. If they break 109.20 area and they go up, we buy with the target 110.40. For Australian dollar, above 0.7734 on a 1 hour chart, I will buy up to 0.78. In my Trading Club Pro, I told you that 0.77 I don't work because they made a new technical picture. So only above 0.7730 we buy with the target 0.78. No ideas for New Zealand dollar. About the Canadian dollar, under 126 I will try to sell up to 125. About the Japanese yen with the Great Britain pound, our target 151.80. This is something that will happen to us, nothing else. 151.80. So yeah, there is no sell signal, they will go up there. For Euro Japanese yen, above 129.50, they will go to 131, up here. Above 129.50, they will go up to 131. About gold, now they're being in upgoing tendency, so they go up, and this is against our downgoing tendency, so I pretend like this is a correction with a level of resistance 1760. This is our resistance, 1760. What we can do, 1760, what we can do is to make it as a level of resistance and wait that they are going to this area. So until price is being in upgoing tendency like that, you can buy with the target 1760. But general idea is that market will still show us short positions. General idea is based on this downgoing tendency. So they may go to test this level of resistance and after that keep going down to 1648. About Brent, I don't see any trading signals right now. I do know that we have technical idea to go further up. I know that we have news on Thursday, but what I know that we don't have trading signals right now. They did not test the tendency line. They're not giving us a good trading signal. So my idea for this instrument is to wait what they will show us and come back to market when it's okay to open deals, to buy or to sell, but when it's okay to work, not just because we want to be in deals. Okay, about natural gas, as I told you, there is nothing that I want to trade right now, and my idea to leave this instrument is still OK. So I would like to give you my idea that I don't work it right now. When we had good trading ideas, we did work. They didn't reach my highest target, but mostly technical situation was really good for this instrument. So coming back in, I think, July or August, I will trade it again. For future, let's say months, I will leave this instrument. Yes, they may show some good volatility, they may show some good signals, but I keep my eye on this instrument, but I don't work it right now because I think this will be a little bit boring and there is no good trading signals so that we, like lock our money here. Okay, I wish you a profitable day and pay attention to Great Britain pound with the euro dollar and Japanese yen. This is something that we can work in future days and earn some money. And also Australian dollar is really good. About the Norway krone, as I told you, there is no reason to say that Norway krone goes I will show you now, goes to the target like today, tomorrow, in May, but target is 8.05. This is target for Norway krone with the dollar, but I can't say that they will go tomorrow or in May or in September. This is target. Right now, it's still it. But if you don't trade it and you didn't trade it, it's not a reason to become a trader for Norway krone. For Ethereum, I still hold it. I don't sell, I don't buy, I still just hold. For Bitcoin, I don't trade it. I didn't open any new positions. I will wait what happens, and if I get a reason, technical reason to enter market, I will share my idea because our target $56 per coin reached. My congratulations, it was technically beautiful, and right now we don't have a good technical reason to enter market. So that is why I hold Ethereum, because they didn't reach all the targets, and I closed Bitcoin because it reached all targets and not showing any new trading moments to get into market. Thank you very much for your attention and see you later. I wish you profits. Bye bye.